1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is gonna hurt. One, two, three. Oh, ow, ow, ow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Don't, please. Oh. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, bloody hell! Oh, 1, 2, 3. God, I've got to wind. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Reloading. Oh, mate, I'm a zombie. Just gonna walk in circles. That was fun. That was. There we go. Cause a bit of carnage. Alright then. Anything I need to know about her? Sweet. Good man, thank you. Really? They've all fled. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Alright, alright. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, mate, this thing is brilliant. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Where are they? Where's the last one? Ow! Oh yeah, that was so much fun, but so painful. Oh. Oh. Where were you? When did I hit you?
Oh, I was here, like one of the two standing up. Just
oh really?
No.
Mate, honestly, I was just cutting it open for the best. Hit. Wait, so what do we do? That is a fucking weapon. Oh, mate. Yeah, thanks for that. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it causes a bit of carnage.
It's got 3 cell.
Yeah. See, that's the space for the battery.
Yeah.
Doing anything like that small, you're not gonna last.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's cheap as fuck as well, man. 185 quid.
How many rounds?
That's 99. That was 15 quid.
Yeah.
Mag, 900 rounds.
900 rounds?
Yeah, gun 185. So Delta Armour have just started bringing shit back out.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
That's all stock.
Yeah, I've chucked. I don't know where I left it.
Yeah,
oh, good man, thank you. Yeah, I chucked my mate's 3 cell in that, and it is ridiculous. I think that's the Vulcan ASL.
Yeah.
It says on the box full metal gearbox. Does that include the piston?
Yeah, I think so,
yeah. Sweet. Yeah, it'll be able to handle it then. Happy days. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Oh my god. Ow. 2 8s. Yeah.